Hi everyone! I have two glue books that I'd like to share with you today, but I'm going to do them in two separate videos just so they don't get so long. And this is the first one. This is a newer version of this book. I think it's from the 2000s, but I loved it. It had multiple stories inside from Dick and Jane, and I just loved the images, and the cover was really cute, so I wanted to use this. And I did this one a little differently than the other two that I had previously made. Instead of putting an eyelet in the cover and attaching the ribbon, I just slid it under the binding threads, so it can really be removed completely if you don't want it, but it is there just in case. And I left it, as you can see, extra long because this can get filled up pretty quickly and get probably rather large very quickly. All right, so I left the inside front cover alone. Oh, I didn't even really, well, I kind of showed you. I loved this fabric. It has little cars and trucks and motorcycles on it. I don't know. I thought it was cute. I thought it kind of went with it. It had the blue in it, so I like that. It has 3 signatures, just like my other glue books. And I added inside some stickers, just as a way to get started with some stuff. If you don't like them, feel free to use them somewhere else or pass them along to a friend who might like them. But I used the pages from the book. So we have some stories in here about Dick and Jane. Oops. We've got calendar pages again, a Georgia map, some cards, some music paper. This is also from a calendar. Some atlas pages. Very similar to my other ones. This was a little mini calendar. Similar but different. They're never the same. Just got a little flip here. Little envelope, you can tuck some treasures. Well, it's not junk mail because it's Joann's coupons, but ones that I didn't use, obviously, that I had laying around. Scrapbook paper in the middle. Pretty waterfall calendar. Or, not waterfall, probably beaches. I'm not really sure. I'm not all together with it today, guys. I'm sorry. All right, and then this folds out here. We've got an envelope that flips out over here. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. And then this is the back side of that Georgia calendar, and well, this is gonna really not be seen in the video very well, but it flips all the way out, so you have tons of space to glue things, or if it gets in your way, you can just cut that right off of there. But I thought it would be fun. Look how cute that is. All right, that's the first signature. Oops. A little greeting card here with some pinwheels. Another envelope flips out. Can tuck some things in there. I just used some washi tape down to reinforce the book pages. And we have another flip here. Apparently a Michaels coupon that I didn't use, or I used it on the app. You know how that is. Center there. Another little flip. Look at that waterfall. That is gorgeous. All right, and the last signature. We have, I think this is from Dollywood, maybe? Dollywood? Oh, it's just Gatlinburg. Okay. Just a map from Gatlinburg. And then I just added this little brochure thingy on the edge. Another envelope. This came from a 45. I have no idea. Maybe someone out there knows this band, but it was just in a bargain bin, and I bought it and then just thought the little insert was cute, so added that there. A little flip. That's the back side of that 45 insert. And then on the back, I added just a little spot. You could, tuck some things in there if you wanted to, or I don't know. It was just pretty. You can cover it up if you don't like it. Either way. So yeah, that's that one. And I just wanted to stop by and do a little flip through for you. And I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And I will be back soon with the second glue book. Bye.